Hello, and welcome to Speak American English with Lyman Holton. My name is Lyman Holton. In this lesson, we're going to talk about American English pronunciation. Are you ready? Let's begin. Sound 11 of the 44 sounds that we find in American English. Now remember, there is no specific order to these sounds. Okay? The number is up there just so you can track them as we go along. Okay, the sound we're looking for is made by the letter L. Here's a small L. Now I included a capital L in here just to help you identify it a little better. L. What sound do we have? L, 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 lock, lock, L, light, light, lion, lion, salad, salad, lid, alarm, la la la, alarm, 11, 11. So a lock, perhaps you're going to take a key to lock your door. A light, you can turn the lights on, turn the lights off. A lion, it's an animal, the king of beasts in Africa. African lions. Cougars, which could be a mountain lion. A salad. Would you like a nice green salad with your dinner, sir or ma'am? Alarm. Be sure to set your alarm clock so you're not late for work tomorrow. 11. The number 11. Which, this is the 11th sound. That concludes this video. Thank you for watching it, and I look forward to seeing you at our next lesson. Goodbye for now.